Good morning student, I am Lingaraj sir. Welcome to our YouTube channel reyansh 18 Creation. Dear student, today we will discuss about the lesson Mahagiri, the kind elephant of class 6 English book. This story of a kind elephant, Mahagiri, it teaches us kindness is not limited to human only. Many a time, wild animals and birds show such act of kindness and intelligence that even human being lag behind. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଦୟାଭାବ କେବଳ ମଣିଷ ପାଖରେ ନଥାଏ, ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ ପଶୁପକ୍ଷୀମାନେ ଏପରି ଦୟାଭାବ ଏବଂ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମତ୍ତାର ପରିଚୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଯାହା ମଣିଷ ପାଖରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳେ ନାହିଁ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଏଭଳି ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଷ୍ଟୋରି ବିଷୟ ଜାଣିବା। ଟପିକକୁ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏବଂ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେୟାର କରିବା, ଏହା ସହିତ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିବା ଯାହା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଫ୍ରି ଅଟେ। So let's start. SGP-1 First book reading. Mahagiri was a big elephant. He was trained at a special school. He was bought by a merchant. The merchant made a lot of money by putting Mahagiri to work. The elephant was often sent to the forest to carry heavy logs of wood. Sometimes he carried people from one place to another. Once he even carried a bridegroom to the bride's house. At times he was sent to a famous temple in a village nearby to lead the festival procession. ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଏହି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫଟିକୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରିବା। Mahagiri was a big elephant. Mahagiri, the name of an elephant, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ହାତୀର ନାମ। Mahagiri ବୋଲି ହାତୀଟେ ଥିଲା। Mahagiri ବୋଲି ଏକ ବିରାଟ କାୟ ହାତୀ ଥିଲା। He was trained at a special school. Special school means the school where the baby elephant were studied. ସେ ଏକ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ବା ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପାଇଥିଲା। He was bought by a merchant. Merchant means a person who buys and sells goods in large quantity. ମାନେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ। Bought, buy ର past tense, buy, but buy ମାନେ କିଣିବା, but ମାନେ କିଣିଥିଲେ। ତାକୁ ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ କିଣିଥିଲେ। ମାନେ ମହାଗିରିକୁ ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ କିଣିଥିଲେ। ଦେଖ ଏହି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟି ପେସିଭ୍ ଭଏସ୍ରେ ଅଛି। ମାନେ he was bought by a merchant. Next, the merchant made a lot of money by putting Mahagiri to work. A lot of money means ବହୁତ ଅର୍ଥ। ମହାଗିରିକୁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟରେ ଲଗାଇ ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ ଜଣକ ବହୁତ ଅର୍ଥ ରୋଜଗାର କରିଥିଲେ। The elephant was often sent to the forest to carry heavy logs of wood. Often ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ heavy ଓଜନିଆ ବା ଭାରୀ, logs of wood କାଠ ଖଣ୍ଡ। ହାତୀଟିକୁ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଭାରୀ କାଠ ଖଣ୍ଡ ଆଣିବାକୁ ପଠାଯାଉଥିଲା। Sometimes he carried people from one place to another. ବେଳେବେଳେ ସେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏକ ସ୍ଥାନରୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ପିଠିରେ ବସାଇ ନେଇଯାଉଥିଲା। Once he even carried a bridegroom to the bride's house. Bridegroom means a man on his wedding day. ମାନେ ବରପାତ୍ର। Bride means a woman on her wedding day. ମାନେ କନ୍ୟା ପାତ୍ର। ଥରେ ସେ ଜଣେ ବରକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପିଠିରେ ବସାଇ କନ୍ୟା ଘରକୁ ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲା। ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ବରାତି ପାର୍ଟିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଉଥିଲା। At times he was sent to a famous temple in a village near to lead the festival procession. Festivals, days or periods of celebration. ମାନେ ଉତ୍ସବ, procession, ଶୋଭାଯାତ୍ରା। କିଛି ସମୟରେ ତାକୁ ଉତ୍ସବ ବା ଶୋଭାଯାତ୍ରାର ନେତୃତ୍ୱ ନେବାକୁ ନିକଟସ୍ଥ ଗ୍ରାମରେ ଏକ ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଠାଯାଉଥିଲା। Next paragraph, SGP-2. Once the people of the village wanted to celebrate their temple festival. Celebrate to mark an event with festival ମାନେ ଉତ୍ସବ ପାଳନ କରିବା। ଥରେ ଗ୍ରାମର ଲୋକମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମନ୍ଦିରର ଉତ୍ସବ ପାଳନ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ। The festival could not start till the temple flag was put up. Put up means build ମାନେ ନିର୍ମାଣ କରିବା। Flag ମାନେ ପତାକା। Could canର past tense। ଉତ୍ସବଟି ମନ୍ଦିରର ପତାକା ନ ଲାଗିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। The temple had the flag but no flagpole. Flagpole means a pole with flag ମାନେ ପତାକା ଦଣ୍ଡ। What is pole? A long slender rounded piece of wood ମାନେ ଖୁଣ୍ଟ। ମନ୍ଦିରର ପତାକା ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ପତାକା ଲଗାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଖୁଣ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା। So the villagers went to the forest and made a fine flagpole out of a tall tree. ତେଣୁ ଗ୍ରାମବାସୀମାନେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଗଲେ ଏବଂ ଏକ ବୃହତ୍ ଗଛରୁ ଉତ୍ତମ ଖୁଣ୍ଟଟିଏ ତିଆରି କଲେ। The flagpole was too heavy for the villagers to carry. The flagpole was too heavy for the villagers to carry. ଏହି ପତାକା ଖୁଣ୍ଟଟିକୁ ଗ୍ରାମବାସୀମାନେ ଟେକି କରି ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଭାରି ଥିଲା। ମାନେ ପତାକା ଖୁଣ୍ଟଟି ଏତେ ଭାରି ଥିଲା ଯେ ଗ୍ରାମବାସୀମାନେ ଆଣିବାକୁ ସକ୍ଷମ ନଥିଲେ। And so Mahagiri to brought it to the temple. Bringର past tense। bring ମାନେ ଆଣିବା, brought ମାନେ ଆଣିଲେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମହାଗିରି ସେହି ପତାକା ଖୁଣ୍ଟଟିକୁ ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଆଣିଲା। The villagers also wanted the elephant's help to fix the flagpole in the ground. Ground means soil or earth ମାନେ ମାଟି। ଗ୍ରାମବାସୀମାନେ ପତାକା ଖୁଣ୍ଟଟିକୁ ମାଟିରେ ପୋତିବା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ହାତୀଟିର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଲୋଡ଼ିଲେ। They had already dug a hole in front of the temple. Dug digର past tense। dig ମାନେ ଖୋଲିବା, dig dug ମାନେ ଖୋଲିଲେ। in front of ମାନେ ସମ୍ମୁଖରେ। ସେମାନେ ମନ୍ଦିର ସମ୍ମୁଖରେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗର୍ତ୍ତ ଖୋଲି ସାରିଥିଲେ। ମାନେ ଫ୍ଲେଗପୋଲକୁ ପୁରାଇବା ପାଇଁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗାତ ଖୋଲି ସାରିଥିଲେ। Now let's practice some comprehension question answer. Comprehension question answer ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଭିଡିଓଟିକୁ ପଜ ନେଇ ଲେଖିପାରିବେ। First, SGP-1 comprehension question answer. First question, who is this paragraph about? This paragraph is about Mahagiri and it tells us about his training and the works his master made him do. Second question, where was Mahagiri trained? Answer is Mahagiri was trained in a special school. Third question, who bought it? Answer, a merchant bought Mahagiri. Fourth question, how did the merchant make a lot of money? Answer is, the merchant made a lot of money by putting Mahagiri to work. Number 5 question, Mahagiri did 4 kinds of works. They are, number 1, he carried heavy logs of wood from the forest. Second, he carried people from one place to another. Number 3, once he carried a bridegroom to the bride's house. Number 4, he led the festival procession of the famous temple of nearby blaze. Next, SGP-2 comprehension question answer. First question. What are these paragraphs about? Answer is, this paragraph is about how the villagers arranged for the flagpole for their temple festival and how Mahagiri helped them bring the flagpole from the forest. Number 2. What did the villagers want to do? Answer is, the villagers wanted to celebrate their temple festival. Number 3 question. What did they have but what did not? Answer is, they had flag but they did not have flagpole. Number 4 is, who carried the flagpole? Answer is, Mahagiri carried the flagpole. Number 5. What did they want to Mahagiri to do next? Answer is, next, they wanted Mahagiri to help them fix the flagpole in the ground. This is some fact about Mahagiri part 1. Keep watching and wait for second part.